Another very important aspect to the expressivity of music is what musicians, or as dancers, we call dynamics. In music, or anything auditory, that simply means loud versus soft, and playing the dynamic range so that it's not energetically all flat or the same. So if we take an analogy to that in the dance, we might say the difference between giving a movement a lot of energy or a big step versus a small step. And again, taking something as simple as walking, and instead of doing it all at one volume or one size of step, you can do a big step and a small step. And so when you do that, you start to give the basic walk a little bit more dynamic contrast. And you might mix it up, do some few small steps, and then every once in a while, if there's something in the music, one big step. You can do the same in back ochos. You can do one step large, one step small, and that lends itself nicely to turning. Same when I'm going out to the cross. You see that there's a combination of sometimes a small step, sometimes a very large step. So playing with that idea in the walks, in the ochos. Now if I'm doing that in a turn, to give a turn more energy, you want to increase your RPMs, your rotations per minute. The faster you turn, the more dynamic the turn is going to be. That's in a close embrace or an open embrace. In an open embrace, if you want to make a turn more dynamic, as a leader, you're going to send your follower outward slightly, and you're also going to go outward slightly, and that's going to create this little bit of pull or tension in the embrace. That's also going to create a more dynamic turn. So if I'm turning very slowly in this basic cross system right turn, and I'm not using any of the outward pull, it's a very quiet turn. And if I do that exact same turn, but I turn it more and I go out a little bit, you notice that we rotate more because she's taking bigger steps through the turn because I'm rotating at a faster speed. And also combined with this outward pull, it really gives a nice dynamic quality to the dance. So trying that out with every movement that we have in tango, whether it's walking, ochos, turning, saccadas, boleos, see if you can try doing them all quietly, all very loudly, and then in the middle. And then when you listen to the music will be telling you, whenever the music is more accented in moments, that's maybe a time where you might do a more accented movement. And when it's softer or quieter or more calm, you might do a smaller or more calm movement.